Hi guys, I'm Becky and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy makeup, beauty, hauls, plus size fashion, then please subscribe, please like the video and watch all the way through. All that kind of thing really helps my channel grow, and I'd be so grateful if you did. So in today's video, it's a bit of a fun one. I'm sure you've seen all the really big YouTubers do mystery boxes before, but I never see many UK YouTubers do it, so I've bought one here from eBay for £20. So as far as mystery boxes on eBay, I think they kind of crack down on them a little bit because I think it goes against kind of like eBay guidelines. I'm not sure, but they were either really expensive, like I found one on there for £100, or they were really cheap, like £8. So this is one I found for £20, and I did look at like some reviews as well, and most people seemed really happy with theirs, so I thought I'd give it a go. So yeah, let's get into it. How exciting! Okay, gonna like shake it a little bit. It's like Christmas. I've never ever done a mystery box, so this is super exciting. Oh my god. Okay, so here is the box. It says like Campbell UK. No idea what that means. Let's have a look. Okay, so we've got some bubble wrap here. Woo! Okay, wow, there's a lot in here. Okay, so first off is this CeraVe moisturising cream. I've heard really great things about this brand. I've never ever tried anything from it, but I know it's like really good moisturising like skincare, so for your face and body. So this is for dry to very dry. It's like she knew me, and this is going to be great because I don't know about anyone else, but as soon as you start like shaving your legs in the summer, my legs just want to flake off. So yeah, what a great start. Okay, so next I'm going to go for a big one, another big one. This is the Peony Blossom Hand and Body Wash by More. I've never ever heard of this brand, but it looks really bougie. Let's give it a smell. Oh, that smells lovely. It's not too like not too floral, so fragrance notes on here: orange, mango, strawberry, pineapple. That's the fruity fragrance I got straight away. Then the middle is lily, sugar and peony, and the base is vanilla. This smells incredible. I've never ever heard of this brand before. If you have, let me know in the comments below. But wow, another great item. So next we've got this Balance Me I always struggle with this, Hydronic Plumping Primer. This looks really interesting. Here is the box. And this is 30ml, so I imagine a full-size product. And if this is a moisturising primer, then I'm going to be super down for that. It's made in the UK, vegan, by a brand called Balance Me. Never heard of this brand before. Like, it's amazing how this person seemed to put some really lovely things in here by brands I've never heard of, but seem really lovely quality. So let's give this... Oh, wow. That feels so interesting. It might possibly ball up a little bit, maybe. Oh, it smells minty. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm really excited to try this. I'm always excited to try new makeup. So yeah, feels really lovely. Smells a bit mint, like mentholy, which I guess is maybe the plumping element to the product, but oh, how exciting. Then we have this W7 Coconut 3D Sheet Mask. And it's got a little monkey on the front. Oh my god, so cute. Made with natural pulp cloth. So I think that means it might be biodegradable, I'm guessing, because I know it's kind of come out recently that sheet masks aren't that good for the environment. But I love coconut. And yeah, I think this is a really great little thing to put in a mystery box like this. then we have loads and loads and loads of makeup brushes. Absolutely loads. So I'm going to unwrap all these and come back to you guys. Okay guys, so that just took me a quick second, but here are the makeup brushes, and there are 9 makeup brushes altogether. So 8 of them I guess came in a set, and are all like matte black handles, and it's by a brand called What Emma Did. Never heard of this brand before, but they do feel pretty nice. They're not very heavy, but the handles do seem nice, no shedding, kind of just like brushes that you can kind of get everywhere now. Like, I don't, apart from really cheap brushes, I feel like these just feel like all brushes. But yeah, there's definitely some shapes that I think I will enjoy. Like, I think I'll really love this for under eye setting powder. I love any eyeshadow brushes. I think this might be a nice little blush brush. So yeah, really nice. I love brushes. And then the one I'm super excited about though is this one. Like, I swear this is like a little dupe for a Marc Jacobs bronzer brush, and it feels really nice. Really nice and big and fluffy, and yeah, really excited to use this for bronzer. The handle's slightly different on this one. It's like a shiny black rather than the matte metal black, but yeah, it feels like so nice. Yeah, so really pleased with these. Like I said, you can't really go wrong with brushes. Okay, so random tea light. It smells quite spicy. No instructions on here. Might put this in my knicker drawer or something. Yeah, nice. And then some random eyelashes without like any box or anything. Not really my style, so I might just give them to someone who it is. So it's like an invisible band, but they're like super long. So probably not really I'm just like trying to try them, but probably not my cup of tea, but nice. Then we've got a twist pen 4-in-1 by La Femme. I'm not really sure what this, never heard of this brand. It looks kind of like makeup that you might find at like Poundland. Nothing wrong with that, but it's that kind of item, I would say. Oh, okay. Here is a swatch. It feels quite waxy. It might be quite nice though, you know, like when it's really warm outside and you want to take a cute picture, you know, sometimes it's quite nice just to kind of, or maybe it kind of blends away to, okay, this might be a dud, but I feel like we've done pretty well so far with everything else, and we've still got more to go. So up next is a little mini from Murad. This is the AHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Here's that. I've never tried this, and yeah, might be, I don't know why I'm smelling everything, but yeah, might be quite nice to try out. Very nice. Then we've got a Hydra Boost Lip Lover in the shade Beach Bum. Oh, this is by me, which there was like a local like beauty salon, you know, where you get your brows and your nails done, and they used, oh my god, this is so nice. They used to sell this makeup brand. Like, I've never heard of it before, but ooh, oh my god, this is so cute and nice. It's like a lip balm, but also a lipstick in such a nice colour. Oh, this is nice. Like, it didn't ruin the packaging, it's ruined the design on there, but that is a lovely shade. Really lovely packaging, like nice metal. Love the shade. Yeah, this is lovely. I've never tried anything from this brand before, but I have heard of it, and I know it's really good quality, so that's exciting. Okay, and then I think the second to last product, the last product's a makeup bag. Just a let the cat out of the bag there. But this is the Fat Glow Facial from Ole Henriksen, and I know this is like a relatively new product. I think this is more of a sample size, but it's great to have that kind of item in this kind of box because you can try it out. So here is that. Let me know if any of you guys have tried it. Yeah, super exciting. That's really nice. Yeah, and then finally, just a little brown leather makeup bag. I'm guessing this might, oh sorry, this is going to be noisy. I'm guessing this might be for the brushes. Just a little makeup bag that I can put all my new goodies in. Nice. Okay, so I think altogether that was actually quite a successful mystery box. There was literally only one dud, which I think was kind of that gold 4-in-1 twist up stick, whatever that was. There are some products that I definitely kind of want to research a bit more, like the primer. The primer seemed really interesting, and the shower gel seemed really nice. I actually can't wait to try that because it smells incredible. Really excited for the moisturizing cream from CeraVe. I know you can buy that at Boots, but it is, you know, I swear they're like about £6 or £7. So to get that as well as all the other items, incredible. I think my favourite 2 items would be, where's my lipstick? Oh, here it is. My favourite 2 items would actually be this bronzer brush, because it's literally a dupe of the Marc Jacobs like 500 million pounds brush, and this Me lipstick, because I've always wanted to try the brand, and it seems super nice. It's in a really pretty shade that I will wear, and yeah, for 20 quid I think it was worth it. Like, I've never done anything like this. I think I will personally get a lot of I'm using this like a wand. I think I personally will get a lot of use out of the box. So yeah, let me know if you found this video entertaining, if you'd like me to try any other mystery boxes out there. I know you can get mystery boxes on places like Depop as well, which might be interesting. I know a lot of girls do them on Depop. I'm always a little bit skeptical though of like whether the makeup's going to be new. I did message this seller specifically and just asked, like, are the items going to be new? Will there be any full size items? Because I have seen some mystery boxes that didn't go too well, where either the items had been used or the items were all samples. Nothing wrong with samples, obviously got some samples in here, and she said like you'll get some full sizes and some samples, and I think for £20, like, what can you really expect? But I'm really pleased. There are definitely things that I will be using from this mystery box, and yeah, I think that's all that's left to say really. So yeah, please like the video, please subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you later guys. Stay safe.